Welcome back, space enthusiasts, to another episode of Space Farmers. Today, we're diving into the future of space travel. Forget traditional rockets. We're talking about cutting-edge technologies that could redefine how we explore the cosmos. Traditional rockets have taken us far, from the Apollo missions to Mars rovers. But as we aim for more distant destinations, new technologies are emerging that promise to take us even further, faster, and more efficiently. First up, the space elevator. Imagine a giant elevator stretching from Earth's surface to space, transporting cargo and humans without the need for rocket propulsion. This concept, first proposed in the late 19th century, is becoming more feasible with advances in materials like carbon nanotubes.
With the development of super-strong materials, the idea of a space elevator is no longer science fiction. It could drastically reduce the cost of sending objects into space.
The idea of a space elevator was first proposed in 1895 by Russian scientist Konstantin Tsiolkovsky after he saw the Eiffel Tower. He imagined a structure reaching from the Earth's surface to geostationary orbit, about 36,000 kilometers up. Next, ion propulsion. Unlike traditional chemical rockets, ion thrusters use electricity to accelerate ions and produce thrust. This method is incredibly efficient, making it ideal for long-duration missions. NASA's Dawn mission to the asteroid belt has already demonstrated the effectiveness of ion propulsion, paving the way for its use in future deep space missions. Another promising technology is nuclear thermal propulsion. By heating a propellant like hydrogen using a nuclear reactor, this method offers much higher efficiency compared to chemical rockets. Nuclear thermal propulsion could reduce travel time to Mars by nearly half, making it a game-changer for human missions to the Red Planet and beyond. Next on the list, but only for the truly adventurous, it's the concept of warp drives. Inspired by science fiction, warp drives could theoretically bend space-time, allowing faster-than-light travel. Warp drives have long been a staple of science fiction, from Star Trek to Interstellar. But what exactly is a warp drive, and is it possible to turn this sci-fi dream into a reality? At the heart of the warp drive concept is Einstein's theory of relativity, which tells us that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. So, how do warp drives get around this limitation? The idea is to create a warp bubble that contracts space in front of the spacecraft and expands it behind. This would effectively move the spacecraft faster than light without breaking the laws of physics. In 1994, physicist Miguel Alcubierre proposed a theoretical model for a warp drive, now known as the Alcubierre drive. It involves manipulating space-time itself using exotic matter with negative energy density. While warp drives remain a speculative dream, the pursuit of this technology inspires us to keep exploring the unknown and push the limits of what's possible. That's it for today's episode of Space Farmers. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.